Hi and welcome back. This video is very useful for broadcasters that need to normalize all the songs they receive in 1 week time. Let's see how to normalize any audio file in batch or bulk in Reaper and saving the settings as template. First and foremost, it's not required to open or create any project. Just start Reaper. Go to File, Batch File Item Converter, or Ctrl-Shift and F on PC and Command-Shift and F on Mac. Drag and drop all your files you want to normalize. You can choose Use Source File Directory if you want to save the normalized file separately, or overwrite original files if you want to get rid of the original files once the normalization is ended. Use a source file directory structure if you want to save the normalized files in another folder. In this case, I use overwrite original files. I want to leave sample rate and channels as from the original files. But if you need, you can change these settings at your will. If you don't change the sample rate, you don't need to touch the resample mode. Now click on Normalize Limit Fade. Check Normalize to. We need LUFS-I and set up -14 dB LUFS. Check the breakpoint limit. Drop down and select True Peak. Change the value to -1. Close the window. Check the box metadata. And this way, all the metadata of your files, including the artworks, if possible, will be preserved. Select the output format. I want my MP3 files to stay MP3, so I select MP3. As mode, select CBR constant bitrate, and for the quality, select the better queue. In bitrate, select 320 kilobit per second. Now, before to convert, save these settings once forever. Click on Presets, give a name. I tap Radio Normalization. Check Include Metadata. OK. When you need these settings, just record them. Now click on Convert All. Go to drink a coffee. When you are back, Reaper has finished its job. All files are normalized and all the metadata are preserved. That's it for the moment. Thanks for watching.